my lovelies. So I have just unboxed my robins and my chick. Yes, that I bought from eBay. Now I've done a whole video demonstrating it and everything. We even went through the seller on eBay to see what other goodies I could get from him. If you want to see the full video, I'll put the link that's in the box below. Give it a like, give it a subscribe. Find me on my Twitter and my Instagram at Adelesexyuk. Find me on my Facebook at official Adelesexyuk. And come and check out my OnlyFans. We have a naughty one, a $10 one, and a freebie. So come and check them out, my lovelies. But for the link of me unpacking the lovely robin, it's in the box below. I love you all.